tryna make fit, like I'm tryna make lungs. Ha, ha, ha.
Nigga.
Let me hear that.
Like, how we doing this fine evening? I hope we're doing fantastic because guess what we're doing? Another motherfucker in the booth. And guess who we got with us?
What we got, chat?
We got the fake Brazilian in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Cha, 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 cha.
You gotta be a little quiet, cause you know what I'm saying? Family.
Tell them what it
You
is.
gotta be quiet because it's 2 a.m.
This
But you
nigga's
know,
yelling and shit. Fucking.
fuck all that shit, bro.
Alright, you right.
I'm lying, brother. Family wants us to win, so if they come in this door,
Oh, you right, you right.
God bless you. But fuck all that bullshit, bro. I'm gonna stop wasting SD space. Y'all gonna see it.
Shit. I just walked up in your ass. Is that what you said? You walked up in her ass? Can you
I
specify?
just walked up in her ass.
You did. You did say I just walked up in her ass. Walk off on your ass. Okay.
Bitch ass.
I just walked into your ass. All right, guys. If Danny plays one bad beat, the first bad beat I hear from him, he's getting knocked out.
Sam is getting knocked out.
He's about to do some mato shit on purpose. Watch out, go. This nigga lay the back of my fucking.
No, no. You wanna die tonight? You wanna die? I was riding around, you wanna die? Fucking on the bitch, you want a guy? I don't give a fuck, lock right on my side. I got blocky, this nigga just fucked my lens up.
I like, yeah, I already did this beat, but I ain't hop on that beat, I ain't talk on my shit, got this little bad bitch tryna fool me, you know what it is, take that bitch to the hills, then take her ass to a Chris, nigga, I heard you talking that shit, I might pull up with big sticks, no, 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 no.
Oh no no no.
No. I don't give a voice talking about when you driving on stolo.
Niggas just slow down reverb version. What are we doing?
Bro, you're playing some
What are we
trash
doing,
ass
bro?
shit.
Please,
Bro.
Bro, we got fucking distracted and we're gonna do a competition, right? At the count of 3, we both have to reach for this lost Mary. Should be
That has to be
fucking
same
sport.
distance.
I don't think that's the same distance.
No? I think it is.
But you're sideways. I'll be sideways too.
You're there?
No, we're the same,
No,
bro.
bro, I think you're closer.
No, but for me, it's like this, so it's easier.
Okay, we both
Put
got-
your fucking
no,
hand
No, you
here.
got your hand has to start here.
Shut up, myself, shut up.
This is test run, That was too
Yo, way
Oh,
too
so
early.
when we get to
fucking
zero, when
loser.
we get to zero.
Oh, you're nasty as hell. You want... Y'all hear that shit, bro? That's the beat. Yeah. Put the headphones on, cause this shit is sounding so damn hard. How the fuck this auto-tune? Do all that shit cause it sounding hard. What you know? Hit that little bitch when I'm overcharged. Yeah. It been sippin', it been long, I get it on. Hop up on my dick, but you get it on. I know, that cheerleader. I know, fucking that bitch ain't knowing me. Yeah. It been sippin', it's been long, let's get it on. Yeah, hop up on my dick, so we getting tall. Yeah. It been sippin', it's been long, let's get it on. Yeah, hop up on my dick, so we getting tall. I know, that cheerleader. I know, fucking that bitch ain't knowing me. Yeah, so we getting tall. I know that cheerleader. I know, how these bitches ain't knowing me. Yeah, I mean, not you seeing me, but I see you getting fucked. Alright, so I think I should put this as the next bar, and then put, yeah, let's get it on. I like that, yeah. I mean, not you seeing me, but I see you getting fucked. Bitch, no, I'm gon' pay that fee, hey, my nigga, getting boxed. Hey, my nigga, yeah, my nigga, getting boxed. Yeah, hop on that beat, I be fucking that shit up, I turn that nigga till I cock. Don't give a fuck, I been tryna make fit, like I'm tryna make lungs. Ha, ha, ha.
Nigga.
Let me hear that.
Like.
Hop on that beat, I been fucking that I'm just adding that ad-lib shit. Y'all need to see what the fuck's going on. Yo, I'm about to zoom in on my eyes and you're about to see how fucking like
extremely locked in. Yo, let me hit the Kubi.
Yeah. I cannot waste no time. I cannot fuck with no either. Baby, it's too late. Let's pull on. Let's get it on. Yeah, hop up on my dick so we get in talk. Run on, it's early. Run on. Let's get it on. You're not just seeing me, but I see you getting fucked. It's not a long pay that fix. Me and my nigga getting boxed. Getting boxed. My nigga getting boxed. I see you getting fucked. I'm you getting fucked. Getting fucked. Alright, hop on that bitch.
Alright, chat, let's tee up.
Tryna make lines.
Yo, but what's good? Is this nigga okay?
What?
Why'd you start the beat like 8,000 minutes after?
Nigga, just deal with it, bro.
This nigga left me 4 seconds.
Just put my shit at the beginning. It's cause I just wanted to flow, bro. It's cause I just wanted to flow and not fuck up. So just put my shit at the beginning, bro. Just run my shit at the beginning. Let's get it on. Okay. Wait, I was like, okay.
That was hard.
That shit hard. That shit remind me of like the Lil Uzi Vert, like, come this way.
Okay, bitch, come my way. Hey, my cup is full of that rebels out of bitch, you know that shit lemonade. Hey, the way she throwing that ass on my dick, I'ma just come in her face. Like that shit feeling amazing. I'm loving the streets, so don't say it, man. Hey, we been shaping ass balloon, let's get it on. She been throwing that ass, that shit been fucking me up. Like baby girl, so you know what's in my cup. Ass balloon, go habits, turning the fuck up. Hey, I got no time to relax right now. I'm drunk as fuck, moving fast right now.
Do more
Relax right now.
What?
Do more high tone because he was already on that pitch.
I'm drunk as fuck, moving fast right now. The way that she throwing her friends at me, it's like she don't care who I fuck right now. I'm chilling with Zero, but we got like plenty hoes, so we adding them numbers up. We been sipping ass, but let's get it on. She been throwing that ass, that shit been fucking me up. Like baby girl, so you know what's in my cup. The ass one on go habits, turning the fuck up. Ay, I'ma stay down till I come the fuck up. As I spray ground, how she zipping me up.
Fuck chat.
Yo, chat. Baby, it's too late, let's pull on, let's get it on. Yeah, hop off on my dick till we get in talk. Run on, it's early, run on. Fuck how these bitches take you and me. Yeah, let's get it on. Yeah, only enough to see me, but I see you getting fucked. It's not a long pay that fix, me and my nigga getting boxed. Yeah, my nigga getting boxed. Yeah, hop on that beat, I been fucking that shit up. I turn that nigga to a cock. Don't give a fuck, I been tryna make feet. Late, I'm tryna make lungs. I need enough to see me, but I see you getting fucked. Yeah, I need enough to see me, but I see you getting fucked.
Okay, bitch, come my way. Hey, my cup is full of that rebels out of bitch, you know that shit lemonade. Hey, the way she throwing that ass on my dick, I'ma just come in her face. Like that shit feeling amazing. I'm loving the streets, so don't say it, man. Hey, we been sipping ass balloon, let's get it on. She been throwing that ass, that shit been fucking me up. Like, baby girl, so you know what's in my cup. That ass no longer habits, turning the fuck up. Ayy, I got no time to relax right now. I'm chillin' for moving fast right now. The way that she throwing her friends at me, it's like she don't care who I fuck right now. I'm chillin' with Zero, but we got like plenty of hoes, so we adding them numbers up. I'ma stay down till I come to fuck up. That spray grind, how she zipping me up. We been sippin' ass for long, let's get it on. She been throwing that ass, that shit been fucking me up. Like, baby girl, so you know what's in my cup. That ass no longer habits, turning the fuck up. Ayy.
Bitch, no, I'm gon' pay that fees. Me and my nigga getting boxed. Alright, chat, we finished that bitch, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I started tweaking. Hey, you know why we can blow up?
Why?
Cause our sound is our sound. Nigga Cinco told me, he was like, oh yo, you know why I listen to Athena back to back to back? He's like, yo, I can't find any other song that has that same vibe, you feel me?
That's fire.
That's literally it. That's why you need to have your own sound, bro. Cause like, if somebody that falls in love with your vibe, bro, they can't find it anywhere else.
It's for you, fuck. It's for you, fuck, nigga. Keep going.
You wanna do some shit like this?
You're recording? Yeah, you wanna do some shit like this?
You don't fuck with it?
I'm the type of that, like, if I don't fuck with it, I'll fucking punch it in the jaw, bro. So, like, I really do fuck with it. Go back to it. I don't think you're bad. I'm gonna do you baby bad.
Nigga's jacked. Chat, that shit is beautiful, bro. Like, I don't know why that vibe feels different.
So right now we're low-key cooked, but we had an amazing fucking session.
And Thanksgiving, we can do it around that time. But that's what I'm saying, come now, he can do all that.
That's why, and by that time I'll have the script done.
But now you got that shit, now you gotta think about some other shit. Sam always say, dude, like, you should do this.
We're such rappers.
Sam say, you so
Let me get a little freestyle. Hold on. I hit the host on my fucking cleats. Yeah, we talking about Takis. Well, I get a red. I get a red scene. Fucking that bitch from the back. Yeah, I get it wet just like a jet ski. Just like a jet ski. Where the fuck you want ride it? Get on it bit and I get it wet just like Poseidon. I fuck on that hoe and I whip on my train. And these niggas be talking too much, but I'm riding.
Why you hating?
Wait, say it again?
Can this nigga shut the fuck up?
Yo, why would you say some shit like that, bro? What? I was snapping.
Then this nigga
Say some shit.
Put up on the block right now. Hit a bitch.
Damn. I can really hop on some shit. Yo, after this, what are we doing? We're gonna go to my house and record a banger? Come on, bro, your dumbass don't work tomorrow. I mean, you're smart ass.
Yo, he came in like a bullet, gang.
Yo, guys, animal abuse. I'm putting 2 lawsuits out.
This scene is gonna be beautiful on the vlog.
Yeah. And you got the rest of your crib and shit, right?
Yeah. Why are you trying to?
We got her.
We got her. What? You're so ugly.
Got her. Guys, that needs fried. Rate the shot 1 through 10.
Ice cream so good.
Put it over, bro. Just chill, bro. Give me a headache. I'm on your phone, bro.
Oh my god. He's laughing.
That was giving me a headache.
Is this
You were just in a park.
Look, chat. What is this? Guess the doodle?
I think it's a hat.
It's a hat, man.
Come on.
Taking like 40 shots.
80 shots.
I genuinely took 80 shots. We got it on camera. Sam, through all this pain you're going through, clip farm from me.
I can't.
If y'all enjoyed the video, like, comment, and you might get the preset, but I'm gonna keep that bitch. This shit gonna get 2 views either way, but fuck it, we gonna keep grinding. Cause I love y'all and I love what we doing out here, man. We just gotta keep going. I'm gonna call that pussy Benji cause I know it's smart. I know this shit on shot shit, but I know that shit ain't shot. No, she ain't got that little bitch screaming out when I just rip her back. Yeah, I done gave her with so much heart, she caught a cardiac.